So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get Discord Nitro here on the Discord application. So once Discord is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Once you're here in the top right, there's three different options. There is the store, there is Nitro, and there is settings. Go to the middle and press on Nitro. Once Nitro is selected, Discord Nitro, you can simply go down and view the different options. So there's Nitro, which is $12.99 Canadian a month for me. There is Nitro Basic right here. You can also go visit the different Nitro perks. You can kind of pick your plan, compare and contrast, and then press on Get Nitro this way to go through with this. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to get Discord Nitro on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.